Hello everyone. Let's continue chapter 6, that is combustion and flame. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is extinguishing fire. You must have heard that a place such as forest, home or shop catches fire suddenly due to unknown reasons. Therefore, we should be ready with the means to control accidental fire. In such cases, it becomes necessary to put off the fire, otherwise, it may cause a lot of loss of lives and property. In such case, fire brigade or firemen are called to control such fire, and you know that they are experts in controlling fire. They mostly use water to put off fire on a large scale. They also use fire extinguishers to extinguish fire. So let us know what is fire extinguisher. A fire extinguisher is an active fire protection device which is used to control the fire, or extinguish means to stop the fire. Typically, a fire extinguisher consists of a cylindrical pressure vessel. It also contains an agent which can be released or discharged to extinguish a fire. Now let us know, how do we control fire? In case of a fire, it is important to remove the conditions which support combustion. For example, in case of fire, we must remove the combustible substance. And we can also lower the ignition temperature or cut off the supply of oxygen. So these are the three ways by which we can control fire, that is removing the combustible substances, or cutting off the supply of air, or we can cool down the burning substance below their ignition temperature. You must have seen the firemen do so by pouring water through pipes to lower down the temperature of combustible substances. There are various types of fire extinguishers. So the first one is water-based fire extinguisher. It is one of the best, cheapest and oldest fire extinguisher. By pouring water over the combustible material, the ignition temperature of the combustible substances can be brought down. In addition to this, water vapors surround the combustible material, which cuts off the supply of air. Removal of these two conditions puts off the fire. This is the reason that firemen generally pour water over the materials which have caught fire. Now, do you think that in case of fires that are caused due to oil leakage or electrical short circuits, these water-based extinguishers will work? The answer will be no. To put out fire caused due to oil or electrical circuit, water extinguishers are not used. In such cases, carbon dioxide based fire extinguishers are used. The reason is that in case of electrical equipment catching fire, pouring water over them may prove disastrous, because water is a good conductor of electricity and it may conduct electricity and can harm the person who is trying to control the fire. And since water is heavier than oil, it sinks to the bottom and oil forms a layer on top of it and it continues to burn. Therefore, water is not used to extinguish fire caused due to oil. Now this carbon dioxide does not support combustion, so carbon dioxide fire extinguisher is considered as the ideal extinguisher. Carbon dioxide is heavier than air, therefore it covers the burning material and cuts off the supply of air, thus putting out the fire. Now under high pressure, carbon dioxide liquefies and takes lesser space because of compression. This liquid carbon dioxide is then stored in cylinders. A nozzle is attached with the cylinder to release carbon dioxide. When nozzle is opened, then carbon dioxide comes out of the cylinder with high pressure. It expands and covers the combustible material as blanket. Thus, it cuts off the supply of oxygen to the combustible materials and put out the fire. The carbon dioxide also lowers the ignition temperature of the burning material. So in this way, this carbon dioxide fire extinguisher works. Next type of fire extinguisher is soda acid fire extinguisher. Sodium bicarbonate, that is baking soda, or potassium bicarbonate releases carbon dioxide on heating. So when powder of sodium bicarbonate or potassium bicarbonate is spread over the fire, they release carbon dioxide, which covers the burning materials and cuts off the supply of oxygen to them, and this puts off the fire. So these soda acid fire extinguishers are generally filled with concentrated solution of sulfuric acid and sodium bicarbonate. The two solutions mix together and form carbon dioxide that helps in extinguishing fire. Besides this, sand is also used to extinguish fire, as it cuts off the oxygen supply for burning by forming a blanket over the burning substance. I hope today's topic must be clear to you. So thank you and have a nice day.